Hello and welcome everyone here in BMR Info Tree. I am Chetan Goswami here with you. Today we are going to learn something about 15 best scientific study booster tips, which can be even useful in reading of something to enhance our knowledge. Number 1, few things to improve your brain functioning which useful in memorizing concepts. What are those? Let's get into that. First is to solve different kind of puzzles which can be helpful to us in memorizing concepts. Second is to read more, and that exercise will enable you to memorizing more concepts. And third and last that is playing music or listen music which will enable you to memorize more concepts. More you work on this thing let your brain do increases its ability to memorize concepts. Second most important to memorize something you study is that you need to read it or watch it immediately after a lecture or seminar or webinar you attended, and giving glance after going home will lock the concepts in your memory and can be useful in your exam or at your workplace. Let's about third one, and it's really amazing, even I have experience of the same in my life. Teach someone else the one you have learnt, which one is extremely effective way to better understand the concept. Fourth important one is to avoid studying in the same place regularly. Changing your study environment while learning helps you to retain knowledge effectively. Fifth most important one is to study in group only if everyone has read the study material. You do not gain much more benefit if this is not the way done. Sixth one is to, instead of simply reading it again and again, by speak it out loud you are 50% more likely to remember anything. But remember, don't scream as mentioned here in the picture. Don't use speaker to make it more loud, but joke apart, it's really useful technique. It's amazing one to improve your IQ. Learn to play a musical instrument. Apart from being fun, it improves your IQ. So learn this one as early as possible. While studying, take a short review at every 30 minutes interval of the newly learned topic to prevent skimming. So it's useful case we are learning something new for whole day, so sometime we can forget even what have learned on the same day, but short review will remind you what you forget already. Remember here you need to listen classical music while study. Not knowing the lyrics of song means brain doesn't split its focus. Over here I have written a number 1.2544344. Now if you want to remember that number then it's become very difficult, but if you remember I am Chetan here from BMR Info Tree, so now you can count those number of characters of word individually and you will remember it forever. It's mind-blowing method to study something or to remember something. If it is possible for you, then learn it at a place where surrounding is green, or glancing at green color can make you more creative. Sometime to write something by drawing diagram is better than to read something as it is written. So drawing diagrams helps you in better memorizing something. One more important thing is for better studying or learning, that is to rewrite notes by hand is a good habit to learn something more effective than just use of computers and tablets or any gadgets. This is most important technique to save time. You just need to studying or learning something by listening to recorded lectures at twice speed. It's also good technique to remember very easily, that is take notes using different colored pens. Click on subscribe button for more videos from BMR Info Tree. Thank you and see you soon again in next marvelous videos on how to build your empire and how to build yourself for success. Bye bye.